Hey, welcome back to my channel, Larry Dennis TV. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how to build your network marketing business using a YouTube channel. So stay tuned to the end and don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Share with anybody you find positive information on it. Let's go. You say you want to grow a network marketing business using YouTube. Here's what I would do in 2024 if I was building a business on YouTube. First of all, I would understand what my main objection is when it comes to starting the channel, right? Am I looking to create a channel to attract customers, or am I looking to build a network of business builders, right? So you have to understand what you're doing when you're coming into the mindset of I'm gonna use YouTube to grow my audience. You have to figure out which one you're gonna do, or do you wanna marry the two? So that would be the first thing. The second thing I would do is use relative keywords target around my opportunity, around my industry, and that will help me to stand out from the crowd. Okay, let me give you a little secret. A lot of network marketers are not using YouTube to grow their channel or their business. So here's where you have the advantage. You can stand out from the crowd and you can start providing value, right? So if let's say you have a particular topic that you want to talk about, let's say you're in the health and wellness space. What would make you different than the other competitors that are trying to build the same type of business like you? So you got to ask yourself, what are a few key products, topics, benefits, needs that a client would want that you may have to offer? So that'll be the first thing I would do. Once I know that and I can tailor what I'm going to talk about, what I feel comfortable talking about, then I would just double down on content related to that. Because guess what? If you do your proper homework and research when it comes to SEO, you will find out there's a lot of people that are searching and typing stuff on the internet looking for something that you have to offer. The difference is, are they going to buy it from you or your competitor? Another thing I would do if I want to build a business and build team builders, find people that want to be a part of the opportunity, then I would actually start targeting more people that are looking to make money from home, building a business, side gig, hustle, etc. You get the idea. Start researching what the market is asking for. If you start marketing and you start researching, you will understand what people are actually typing and looking for. Therefore, you can help create content towards them to serve them best. Another thing what I would do is if I was looking to start a network marketing business on YouTube and start a YouTube channel, I would not just target the channel itself about the opportunity or the business, but I would also have a bit of branding of myself, right? As an individual, as a leader that's standing out, sharing information. Let's say you believe in the company and you want to represent that company. There's ways to do it that you're not exactly just promoting the company per se, and you have to actually find out from the company itself if you're allowed to use the name in some marketing promotional stuff, because you know every company has different rules and regulations. So make sure you read the fine print before you sign up with a company. Very important. A lot of people don't read the blueprint. I don't know why. Once you see that you're allowed to do that, then it would be very important to start targeting keywords around the topics of the things you're going to cover. Another thing what I would do is just have fun, create content. Don't oversell yourself. Don't overthink things. Just come out naturally, be yourself, speak to the camera, talk to the audience, let them know what you're doing, let them know what you're offering, and just be your true authentic self. Because guess what? People like people that they know, like, and trust, but people are going to follow people that are truthful, are authentic, and they're just keeping it real, right? They come on YouTube looking for a solution, looking for an answer to a problem they may have, and you might just be that person to give it to them. So it's very important to show up properly and respectfully. And number one key thing on YouTube is being consistent. If you can't post every day, twice a week, 3 times a week, try to keep it weekly, at least at a bare minimum, right? Show up weekly. The more you can show up, the more people are going to come back, and the more they're going to want to follow you, and they want to engage in your content and what you're providing for them. So it's very important you keep showing up. Don't try to get things perfect, just get started. Cannot stress that enough. Just get things started. It's very important. If you don't do that, then you're not going to have fun and then you're gonna feel like you're overworking yourself trying to grow this network marketing YouTube channel to please or to make someone else feel good, but at the same time you're not feeling good within yourself and you're not having fun. So just be relaxed, just relax, be natural, have fun with it, just be informative, you know. With time, every video you'll get better, and throughout practicing you'll get better and you'll start to build that network. So that's very important, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you apply these tips that I gave you. Let me know in the comment below if you have any questions on particular things you would like to know when it comes to starting a network marketing YouTube channel. What are some struggles with? Do you actually have a channel? Did you start one? Are you looking to start one? Let me know in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. Hit that like button because it helps. Subscribe and get more updates on other type of videos like this. And if you're new to Larry Dennis TV, this is me, Larry Dennis, signing off. I see you in the next video. Take care.